Hello friends, this is Jack from Jim Autos. Thanks for visiting my channel. This video is about Toyota Hilux Revo Rocco facelift model 2018 from Jim Autos Thailand with Thailand, Australia, UK, Japan, New Zealand, Hong Kong, US, Canada, Oman and Dubai top car exporter. Please like this video and subscribe. Hi friends, this video is about the new Rocco which is 2018 model. New facelift. As you'll see, this is the new grille. Also, this is the Rocco version, which is a replacement for Toyota Racing Development. Anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and also click on the bell so you can receive notification when we add new videos. Anyway, just give you an overview. Of course, the new 2018 facelift has this new grille, so more like Tacoma in the US, and like it's the daylight running lights. That was in the Revo, original Revo as well. Now specific features that are unique to Rocco. Here is in the bottom, here is the lip, okay, and as you see, this is the LED fog light, really bright. So will really make you, if you go by, you see it really looks nice, and in a dark night it will make all the difference with the daylight running light, the projector lights, and the LED now fog lights, and it's very impressive, more like that project power that you see in the American cars. Anyway, let's just walk around and see it more closely. Here we see another distinctive feature, actually two distinctive features. One is the fender flares, and this is the 18-inch Dunlop tires. So it's really and the other feature is the black side lights, so for the Rocco. And as we go by, we'll see, and another the door handle is black, and another Rocco feature. And as we go by, like TRD had a roll bar, this one had Rocco roll bar and sticker, Rocco sticker, really nice. And of course fender flare in the back and the 18-inch tires. And then we'll go in the back and see rear lights, and here instead of chromium we get black door rear door handle, and also this is titanium. This is also for Rocco, okay. And now just walk around. This is a smart cab, which is an extra cab with laterally opening doors and grill. Anyway guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we are adding new videos every day. And as you know, we offer full range of Thailand new cars and pickup trucks, as Toyota Hilux Revo, Toyota Vigo, Ford Ranger, Wildtrak, Mazda BC50, all the pickups, and the Toyota Fortuner. And also, in addition to Thailand vehicles, we also offer vehicles, right-hand drive vehicles from Australia, UK, Japan, and Singapore, Hong Kong, many countries. And left-hand drive vehicles from Dubai, Oman, also US, Canada, and many destinations, and Europe occasionally. But anyway, let's now take a quicker look inside the car. And this is a small extra cab, smart cab, the laterally opening door we saw, and there's less space than you get in double cab, but still comfortable. There's a bench seat. And here we see Rocco difference, more black accents in the door, you'll see. And I'll show you the other laterally opening door, and you'll see here also, okay, dark accents. There we go. And As you'll see, this is as the regular Revo, the one that was released in 2015 to 2017. Steering controls. And here for Rocco, another special thing is this beautiful meter. So very colorful. In the middle is the notification window, and as you see, it also has this screen, and then the AC controls, and as we see, the gear is nice. Okay, and the seat is also this is a smart cap, so not always it's not leather. The seats are not leather, which you can see here. These are but very beautifully upholstered, and a lot of dark accents in the car. And the 3 modes: the eco mode, power mode, and IMT mode. So this is, as you know, it's a manual. So now let's just get to the other side of the car. And as I was mentioning, we offer full range of vehicles from Thailand, Australia, UK, Dubai, Oman, US, Canada, New Zealand. So whatever vehicles you need, even though we specialize in 4-wheel drive vehicles as Toyota Revo, Toyota Prado, Toyota Land Cruiser, Nissan Patrol, and so full range of Nissan, Ford, all the major Japanese models, and also American manufacturer models, and European. So whatever you need. Now let's just slide into the other side, and let's open it and see. Okay guys, okay, the door is the same, of course, so the symmetry. And you see, I wanted to show you actually the seat. Okay guys, so how do you like it? And this is so beautiful in the middle, the island is also upholstered beautifully. And so here is the cooler, and then the regular. So guys, it's a beautiful car. So yeah, and I'll close it. And the floor mat, this is a customer request, and here very nice. Okay guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell so we can notify you when new videos are added. And we'll be adding new videos every day, so at least every week. No, not every day, but most days. So anyway, as new crop of this 2018 model has arrived, so we'll be adding more models. Anyway, also guys, this is your time. Give me your feedback, what you like about this video, what you don't like. I'm a big boy, I can take it. So if you don't like, if you want me to do something differently, let me know. Also, do you want any other vehicles covered from Thailand, Australia, or any of the other countries we have branches in? And I'll be glad to get the videos or make the videos. Okay guys, thank you guys. Appreciate becoming your visiting us. And Jim Autos is a major car exporter in the world. Okay, take care. We offer full range of Thailand vehicles: Toyota Revo, Vigo, Fortuner, Ford Ranger Wildtrak, Navara 9P300, and any Thai pickup, SUV, trucks, and also we export from Thailand, Australia, UK, USA, Dubai, Japan, Hong Kong, and all our cars are on sale. Okay, thanks for watching guys, it's been fun, and a like would be appreciated. Please leave comments and please subscribe. We're adding new videos every day. Thanks.